esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you a great arbitrage that you can run on this amazing and the newest platform and start making a lot of profit for yourself today. Okay, before I step into that fully, I'd like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you're coming across this channel for the first time. And if you are a returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, like my videos and as well share my videos. So thank you so much as you do that. So before we go into this fully, I would like to show you to scroll it up for you to see it for yourself. And as well, whenever you log in or you enter this platform, try scroll down, scroll up for you to see it for yourself and see what exactly is going on this very platform. Make your own perfect research before investing anything in this very platform. So you can see buy with Gadrian. You choose crypto, pick a coin, select the currency of your payment. It's on this very platform you can pay with your card. Okay, so you can see you can swap on this very platform as well. You can get crypto, check your wallet. We hope to see you soon. Okay, so on RAM you can just scroll and see how it is. So global coverage, best choice of crypto. You can see over 170 supported countries. You can see over 400 supported cryptocurrency. You can see also over 40 support fiat currencies and also all major payment method. Okay, integrators. So you can see, so let's quickly go back to our business. You can see on this very platform, you can pay with Visa, SEPA, and faster payment for all those people using Google Pay and also Apple Pay. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come to this very place. You can see buy, you can see sell, you can see as well swap, and do all these three on this very platform. But I advise do not sell. I repeat, do not sell your coin on this very platform. All you just need to do is to buy and send it out to another platform like Binance, Bybit, or any other exchange, Huobi, and the others for you to sell them over there. Okay, so you can see, you can come to this place. You can see where this euro is. You can see an arrow pointing down, or you just need to click on that arrow to choose your own country fiat. Okay, choose your own currency on this very place. I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I'm going to click on there and search for NGN. Okay, searching for NGN now. I'll click on NGN and you will see what will pop up. Okay, so it's coming up. So on this very place, you now make a choice what exactly you want to use your NGN card to buy. Is it USDT? Is it BTC? Is it BNB? You can make a choice of what you want to buy here. But on this, for the sake of these tutorials, we are going to use USDT. Okay. So this is we're going to use 100k here. And come to this place written BTC. You can as well buy BTC and send it to Binance for sale, but we are going to use USDT currently. So you click on this arrow to make a choice of your USDT, of the USDT you want to buy. Okay, you can see there are a lot of coins here you can buy. There are Dodge, the Dodge BSC, and ADA, BSC. So when any coin you want to buy here, I advise you buy coin that is indicating the Binance, like this USDT BSC. Take this one because the charge will be very low, and you can see this Dodge. You can take this Dodge as well, and a lot more. Okay, the choices are all yours only. Okay, so I'm taking this USDT. So let's see what I'll have. Wow, I'm going to secure 122 USDT on this very platform, which my 100,000. Okay, so let's see what is going to be. So on this very place, you can see what exactly you are going to get when you use 100,000 USDT. Okay, you're going to get 122. Wow, this is going to be an amazing profit, a very huge profit for us all. Okay, So all you just need to do, come to this very platform and make sure you sign up. Okay, if you have not signed up, all you just need to do, navigate yourself to the top right hand side where there's this three line, click on it, go to click on this login, and you will see where to create your own personal account on this very platform. Okay, if you face any difficulty, all you just need to do, you can come back as well to my channel, chat me up, and I will respond to you is okay. So before we move on, we're gonna going to go to like Binance and check how much is the profit potentials that we're going to make from this very platform. Okay, so let's go to Binance and see how much we will make doing this arbitrage. Okay. Wow, so this is Binance, and you can see the current rate on this very Binance currently is 1,223 naira. Wow, this is a huge profit for us to make. You can see you can either filter to sell your 122 USDT coin, or you can just make your choice. You can see you can just make your choice, and you will gain your profit ASAP. Okay, so this will now take us to our calculator. Let's see how much we'll be able to make as a profit from this very arbitrage. Okay, this brings us to our calculator. So on Binance, we are going to sell at 1,200 and what 23. Okay, 1,223 multiplied by 122 USDT. Wow, this is massive profit. Okay, so it's going to be give us 149k. Wow, this is very amazing. So let's remove what we have spent from this 149 206 149,206 less than 100k. Wow, you can see our profit 49,206. This is a very great profit. This is a very amazing profit. You can make and make and make and make and make a lot of money. So you can do this multiple times a day. Okay, you can do it 4 times and 5 times. Depending on your time, your schedule, depending on your schedule, and also your money. Okay. So let's go back to it. You can see everything is very much okay. So all you just need to do, jump into this right now and start making your profit. Okay. So thank you for watching. I think I would like to stop here for the sake of this tutorial so that the video will not be too long. Okay. As I said earlier, if you do have any question, drop it at the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. And do not forget, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like the video, and as well share the videos. Okay. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.